Mrs. Marcelita G. Agudon, to please come forward and call our officers.
It's my honor to present the newly elected SELG officers for the school year 2026-2027. These young leaders have been entrusted by their fellow learners to serve with integrity. They take on the responsibility of leading and making a positive difference full community. Isabel C. Regalado, President. Junira Francine Olequino, Vice President. Secretary.
Administer the oath, we are honored to have with us a young leader who continues to serve and inspire the youth in our community. Let us welcome our SK Chairperson, SK Diego Cansanieda, who will serve as inducting officer for our SK officers. Palakpakan po natin siya.
Magandang araw po sa ating lahat. So sa ating mga bagong members po ng Esteban Abada na officers, kindly raise your right hand and repeat after me. I state your name. Of Esteban Abada Elementary School, having been elected or appointed as state your position.
Having been elected
Of your organization, that I will faithfully discharge
I will faithfully discharge
to the best of my ability
to the best of my ability
the duties of my present position
duties of my present position
that I have clearly understood,
that I have clearly understood.
and I will abide by
I will abide by
the guidelines governing this organization
the guidelines of the organization
and of the issuances by the department,
and of the issuances
and that I impose this obligation
and that I impose this obligation
upon myself voluntarily,
upon myself voluntarily
without mental reservation
without mental reservation
or purpose of evasion.
or purpose of evasion.
So help me God.
Pasok na po kayo.
Then, congratulations po and maraming salamat po.
Pasok na po kayo, kuya.
Thank you, SK Diego. Palakpakan po ulit natin siya.
It is my honor to introduce our newly elected Youth for Environment in Schools Organizations officers. The Journalism Club, the Junior Observers. It is an honor to present to you the set of officers for the school year 2026-2027. President Kylie Regalado. Vice President Liam Gabriel Ortega. Secretary Adrian Solmayor. Treasurer Cassandra Madrinico. To present to you the new set of officers, Batang Empowered Resilient Team, BIRD. President Sofita Faye M. Salva. Vice President Jamie K.L. Lau. Secretary Mark Leonard Dona. Treasurer Rita Angela Ante. Auditor Cyril D. Rosales. PIO Asante Viniz D. Perea. Sila.
Elementary School Choir, and may I call on the advisor, Mr. Fidel K. San Jose.
Good afternoon, everybody. May I have all the honor of presenting you the officers of the Esteban Abada Elementary School's Children's Choir. President Ian Summer L. Nolasco, Vice President Patricia B. Fermin, Secretary Chloe Y. Meneses,
Officer, may I call on Hans Adam G. Santiago, President. L. Enriquez. Megan Luis R. Mendoza. Assistant Secretary, Mia B. Dulay. Treasurer, Sofia Nicole B. Alagon. Assistant Treasurer, Diane Natalie R. Gok. Auditor, Chloe Y. Meneses. PRO, Stephen Miguel P. Sosa. And Assistant PRO, Alea S. Sabanya. This moment, we invite Kagawad Lin Alimboyogen, our inducting officer, to please come forward and lead our school officers in their oath.
Please raise your right hand and follow after me. I, having been elected as PIO, do hereby solemnly swear that I will faithfully discharge to the best of my ability the duties of my present position that I have clearly understood and I will abide by the guidelines governing this mission and of the issuance by the Department of Education and I impose this obligation upon myself voluntarily without reservation or purpose of evasion. So help me God.
So once again, let's give them a round of